Building an Android app is easy. Building one correctly is hard. While there are many Android tutorials out there, none will show you how to build an app that is scalable and robust using the latest tools and technologies in the Android ecosystem. If you're looking to become an expert Android developer and claim the associated benefits, this is the knowledge you need. I am a professional developer with over 6 years experience in Android and 12 years experience in Java development. And I can tell you that making apps correctly is not an easy task. This course is the only course on Udemy that teaches you how to use the latest technologies and libraries to build an Android app correctly. That means an app that is testable, scalable and robust, and works on 100% of devices out there. We will be looking at all the modern technologies that go into building apps. MVVM architecture using the Google recommended Android Lifecycle Extensions, Retrofit and JSON for remote server communication, RxJava as a reactive framework, Dagger 2 for dependency injection, Jetpack navigation for navigating the user through the app screens, Jetpack data binding for building UI screens, Glide for seamless image loading, Jetpack palette for extracting colors from images, unit tests to test the application and make it stable and robust, and we will build everything in Java. We will take all the buzzwords that you see in job applications, we will explain them in detail, and we will implement them in our application as an example. We will build a simple app that showcases all these technologies. I have used this app in the past to show recruiters my development skills, and so can you. This course is made for advanced developers who know how to build a basic Android app, but who want to take their development skills to the next level. If you're a beginner and want to learn to make an Android app the right way from the start, we will go step by step through each line of code, explaining everything as we go so you can follow along. If you've got the ambition to learn Android apps the right way, this course is for you. So sign up today and let's learn how to make a state-of-the-art Android app.